Hey there, guys. If you are looking to update your Cash App PIN for, security reasons, or you just need a reset, guys, I have got you covered. So here's basically a quick and easy guide to change your Cash App PIN. So let's dive right in, guys. So first things first, guys, what we want to do is you want to, of course, open up the Cash App on your mobile device and log in if you haven't done this already, guys. And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to tap on your profile icon or the account menu in the top right corner. All right. And then basically what you need to do is you want to scroll down, okay, and tap on privacy and security. And then you want to look for the change pin option under the security section. And basically what's going to happen, guys, is Cash App will ask you for your current pin, right, to verify your identity. You want to just put it in, and then what you want to do is set your new pin. So you want to actually enter the a new 4-digit pin that's easy to remember, but actually hard for others to guess. And then you just confirm the new pin by entering it again, right? And then, guys, if your device actually supports it, this is just optional, okay? You can also enable a Touch ID or Face ID for an extra layer of security, guys. And basically, guys, that's it. Your Cash App PIN is now updated, which will basically keep your account secure. Guys, make sure you keep this private and avoid sharing it with anyone, guys. Anyways, if this guide was helpful, guys, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.